All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel, to the HBAR family. Happy New Year, first and foremost. This right here is the first update of the year of 2025. I'm wishing you, each and every one of you guys, the year of 2025 to be filled with a lot of happiness, success, and good health. At the end of the day, that is really, really important. But yeah, let's kind of look back at the year of 2024. It was a great year for me personally, as well as for a lot of people. And I'm going to miss the year of 2024, but I hope we all push forward, not for just the year of 2025, but also onwards to really go for what we really want to achieve, and of course always hope for good health as well, and of course happiness, because those are very important things. But as far as the new year is concerned, I'm very excited for this year. As far as the prices are concerned, you're seeing a little bit of a retracement. Now, yesterday was a really good day, actually. The traditional stock market saw a nice uptick as well, but you're seeing a little bit of a retracement going into, obviously, the first day of the year. Obviously today is the first day of the year as we're recording this update. It's midnight, of course. You could see majority of the market is actually seeing a little bit of a minor pullback. HBAR down 1.8%, but there's a lot of other coins that are still up right now, which of course is nice to see. Looking at the price of HBAR right now, 26.7 cents, down 2.3% in USD, down 2.1% in Bitcoin comparative. Market cap is holding at $10 billion to be exact, 10.2 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume at 433 million. But before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So if you're looking at the dominance index, let's actually take a look at the dominance index on the hourly time frame. You can see this for yourself. The dominance index has gone up a little bit, while Bitcoin actually has, seen a little bit of a retracement, believe it or not. If I were to zoom in and show you guys the hourly time frame, you did see Bitcoin making its way up to the 96,300. If you watch my Pepe update, I did mention, why that happened. Of course, since then, market has retraced a little bit and making its pretty much back down to the level where it was over the last, few days. So, as of now, it's still, possibly, Bitcoin, if it's not able to hold around this range, we do retest 92.5. But there's this gut feeling that I have that, we do see a push towards the upside, start heading towards 100K, especially, considering what we have seen for, the stock market. New year, of course, Donald Trump coming into the office, I think that's going to really trigger a little bit of excitement towards the crypto space. And historically speaking as well, the after the halving year, you do tend to see quarter one to be bullish for the crypto, for the Bitcoin price. So I am anticipating, history to repeat itself, but let's take it one step at a time. So as far as HBAR price is concerned, starting off the new year, you are looking, of course, right here at the hourly time frame. And if you were to show you guys the hourly time frame, what you're noticing is, you are seeing this key support playing as a level of support, but we're sitting below it right now. So as of now, it's not really coming as a support. We're seeing it as a resistance, but there is significant amount of support around the 26.6 cents. And if I were to kind of zoom in and show you guys, over the last pretty much few days, you have seen several different bounces at this range. So we've been retesting this support a few times. Obviously, if the support does not hold, the more you test the support, I think the weaker it gets. And right now, you are seeing multiple different retests for this specific support. Obviously, if it were to be lost, if we were to lose this support, we could be making our way down to the 25.5 cents, potentially even filling the wick that we did see at the 24 cents mark. And those are some targets that I want you guys to be aware of. And as you guys know, your boy Crypto ZX, I'm not just here to spread FUD. This is just a reality. We're looking at the short-term perspective. And these are, some realistic targets that you could be looking out for. And, if we were to, fill the wick that we saw back on the 22nd, we're looking at about an 8.77% move. Obviously, this would require, Bitcoin to drop, I think, below this 23.6 and dominance, head back above, the 58.6% mark, which of course, goes unsaid that, we will obviously see some of these prices, being retested. But we cannot ignore the way the price of HBAR closed off the year. No one could have, and I repeat this, no one could have imagined the price of HBAR to be sitting at the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level if you were to tell them back in October, or even at the beginning of November. And here we are, closed off the year on a really positive note, much better than a lot of people anticipated. I am anticipating, a bounce, but you really want to see the support holding. And of course, you don't want to be ignoring what happens to Bitcoin. Like I said, I have this gut feeling we do see a bounce for BTC back up to, the 96K. If we're able to obviously close above that, I wouldn't even be surprised if 100K Bitcoin is reclaimed quite fast. But you really want to be paying very close attention to this support right now. If we're able to lose it, some of the targets that we have discussed could be retested in the upcoming hours ahead of us. Obviously, if we were unable to hold around this support and Bitcoin were to drop further. But let me know down below what you guys think right now. What are your personal predictions on HBAR for the year of 2025? Where do you see quarter one? We're not even going into the end of the year. We're just talking about quarter one. Where do you see HBAR's price ending off the year of 2025 at? Let me know down below what you guys think. Love each and every one of you guys. We'll see you later. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.